Last month, when we featured a recipe inspired by the king of rock and roll, we were overwhelmed by the response. So with this week being the anniversary of Elvis's first appearance on the Ed Sullivan Show, we thought we'd invite our good friend, Elvis tribute artist, Terry Buckwald, back to the test kitchen. How you doing?
Good to see you, Howard. Thanks for having me back.
Tell us about that day.
Well, as soon as he started singing, "Don't be cruel to a heart that's true," the audience went wild. As a matter of fact, the cameramen were directed to shoot only from the waist up. All his jiving was a bit too much for TV viewers back then.
Maybe he was simply making some room for a slice of his mom's coconut cake.
I bet you he was.
And as you know, we recreated that cake just for you.
You know, Howard, this isn't the first piece I've had. And I have to say, it's absolutely amazing. The frosting is so creamy, it's no wonder this was his favorite.
To get the recipe for what we call Elvis's Coconut Cake, all you have to do is visit our website. And while you're there, make sure you check out where Terry will be performing. Terry, if Elvis tried this cake, what do you think he'd say about it?
Ooh, it's so good.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
It is.
This is good, isn't it? I love it.
Creamy.
Delicious.
Amazing.
Mm-hmm.